Can direct arrest possible under FEMA? Let's see. FEMA is a civil law, not like a criminal. So direct arrest is not possible under FEMA. So enforcement directorate has power to give you summons and investigate the case, and it will act like penalties, adjudication, and all. If it is directly related, nexus has been proved that the offences has been made under FEMA related to money laundering, related to economic offences, then and only then arrest is possible under FEMA. So under FEMA, no direct arrestment, only and only penalty, adjudication, and like that. Under PMLA, arrest without even intimation.